In today's globalized economy, businesses trade goods, technology, and services across borders every day. However, international trade is not completely unrestricted. Many governments implement export controls and licensing systems to regulate the flow of certain products and information. These rules are designed to protect national security, promote foreign policy objectives, and comply with international agreements. This article explains what export controls are, why they exist, and how licensing works in a clear and educational way. Export controls are laws and regulations that govern the export of certain goods, technologies, software, and services from one country to another. These controls apply to physical goods like weapons, military equipment, or sensitive materials. Technology and data, including software, encryption tools, and technical information. Dual-use items, products that can be used for both civilian and military purposes such as drones or advanced electronics. Export controls are not just about shipping physical products, they also cover intangible exports, such as sharing technical data via email or providing training to foreign nationals. Governments use export controls for several reasons. 1. National security, to prevent weapons, technology, or sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. 2. Non-proliferation, to stop the spread of nuclear, chemical, or biological weapons. 3. Foreign policy goals to support allies and put pressure on countries involved in terrorism, human rights abuses, or illegal activities. 4. Economic protection, to safeguard domestic industries and maintain a competitive edge in critical technologies. Without export controls, dangerous items or sensitive information could be misused, potentially threatening global peace and security. An export license is a legal document that allows a company or individual to export controlled goods, technology, or services to a specific country for a specific end use. Not all exports need a license. Many items are classified as no license required, NLR. However, for sensitive products, an exporter must apply for permission before shipping or sharing. Different countries have their own licensing systems, but generally, there are 3 types. 1. Individual license, for a single transaction or shipment to a specific customer. 2. General license, for repeated exports of the same item to approved countries without applying each time. 3. Special licenses for defense articles, dual-use technologies, or humanitarian goods under special programs. Compliance with export control regulations is essential. Companies must classify their products correctly, screen customers against restricted or denied party lists, maintain records of shipments and communications, train employees to follow the law. Failure to comply can result in heavy fines, criminal charges, and loss of export privileges, sometimes even imprisonment for individuals involved. Export controls and licensing may seem complicated, but they are a vital part of global trade. They protect national security, prevent illegal weapons proliferation, and ensure that sensitive technologies are used responsibly. Businesses engaged in international trade should stay informed about export control regulations, properly classify their products, and seek licenses when necessary. By following these rules, companies can expand their global reach while staying compliant and protecting global security.